She carried with her a small USB stick containing Brave Enough, the last song he ever recorded. She plugged it into a portable speaker and played it. The wind off Lake Ontario carried the melody over the water. If you're brave enough to cry, you're brave enough to heal. She sat alone on the bench, staring out into the dark. Then, from behind her, someone began to sing along. A young woman, then a man, then a small group. Fans who had followed her, silently, respectfully. One by one, they joined in. Not a flash mob, not a performance, a communion. By the end of the song, the silence that followed was so deep it felt like prayer. Marsha whispered, "You hear that, Lee?" She closed her eyes. "He's everywhere now," she said to herself. And he was. In every cracked speaker box in Spanish Town. In every karaoke night in Mississauga. In every whispered confession scribbled into a lyric notebook by a teenager who didn't know how to shout. Leroy Gibbons was no longer just a voice. He was an idea. That softness is not weakness. That restraint is power. That feeling, real, honest feeling, will outlive fashion, volume, and noise. And so, though the man was gone, the velvet never faded.
Tune into Leroy Gibbons, the Velvet Voice of Dancehall on the History of the Caribbean's podcast to hear more. Click the link in my profile and start listening now.